Good morning children, welcome to our maths class. In our last video, we have already started this chapter 1, playing with numbers. In the playing with numbers, we took the topic number system. I already said there are two types of number systems are there. One is Indian number system and the second one is international number system. We have already learned about Indian number system. Now in this video, we will learn about international number system. That means if a number is given, you know how to write in Indian number system. Now you can know how to write the given number in international number system. Okay children? What is the second number system? International number system. Okay. In Indian number system, what are the periods I said? Total how many periods I said? 4. What are those? Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. Total 4 periods I said in Indian number system. But in international number system, we'll discuss about 3 periods. How many periods? How many periods? 3 periods. Total how many periods you learn in international number system? 3 periods. What are those periods? First one is common. Ones period. Second one is also the same. Thousands period. And the third one is millions period. M-I-L-L-I-O-N. Millions period. Okay children? First one is ones period. Second one is thousands period. And third one is millions period. These are the 3 periods in international number system. Periods completed. Next, what is the next topic? Place values. You have learned in Indian system, right? Place values in ones period. What are those? Ones, tens, hundreds. The same comes in. What are the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. In ones period, for international system also the same. Ones, tens, hundreds comes under which period? Ones period. Next in thousands period, thousands, 10,000s, TTH, thousand, TH means thousand, TTH means 10,000. Next, in Indian system only 2 place values are there for thousands period. But for international system there are 3 place values in thousands period. Thousands, 10,000s common. Next one is 100,000s. H means hundreds, 100,000s. 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. There are 3 place values in thousands period. Okay. Next one is millions period. In the millions period also the same 3 place values. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Okay children. Million, 10 million, 100 million. These 3 place values comes under millions period. Once again I am explaining there are 3 periods in international system. Ones, thousands, millions. In ones period there are 3 place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. In thousands period you are having again 3 place values. Thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. In the millions period again you are having 3 place values. Million, 10 million, 100 million. See if a number is given how you will write the number name. Listen. 4, 7, 6, 3, 2, 5, 1, 4, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 digits I took. This is a 9 digit number. How many digits? 9 digit number. How you will first, what you have to do? You have to write, first write the place values. Okay children? Ones, tens, hundreds. Next, 1,000, 10,000. Okay, 100,000. This is international system number, so 100,000. Next, million, 10 million, 100 million. First step completed. Writing place values. Now we have to keep commas based upon the periods. Ones, tens, hundreds comes under which period? Ones period. So keep comma. You should first step is you have to keep commas to separate periods. Ones, tens, hundreds comes under ones period. Next, 1000, 10,000, 100,000 comes under thousand period. I have kept comma. Next, million, 10 million, 100 million comes under million period. This is the way you have to separate commas based on the periods. Every period has three place values. Okay, now how you will write the number name? See, what is the highest period here? Million. What is the highest period? Million. What is the number in the million period? 476. What is that? 476. Write that. 476. What is the period? Million. 476 million. Next, thousands. How many thousands? 325 thousands. Right. 325,000. Next, what is the period? Ones period. What is there? 143. Right there. 143. Completed. This is the way how you will write the number name. Same as Indian number system only. First you will write the place values. What are the place values? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. Million, 10 million, 100 million. In Indian system, lakhs and crores are there. Here, millions are there. After this, you have to keep commas based upon periods. After keeping commas, you will write the number name. Clear, children? One more example I am taking here. Okay, see. First, I gave a number to you. What you have to do? You have to write the place values. Ones, tens, hundreds. Next, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. Next, million, 10 million. After that, 100 million is not there because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is an 8-digit number. So, 100 million is not there. If not there, no need to worry. Just leave it. What are the place values? You are going to continue like that. Up to how much? Suppose if it stops here, only 100,000 will be there. If it stops here, only million will be there. Understood? So, after writing place values, keep commas by periods. Ones, tens, 100 comes under ones period. Keep a comma. 1000, 10,000, 100,000 comes under thousand period. Keep a comma. Next, million, 10 million comes under million period. Okay? Now, how many millions are there? 30, how much? 30. Write that. 30 million. Okay, next. What is the thousand here? 401. What is the in thousands period? 400. 401 means 401 or not? Write that. 401. What is the period? 401,000. Next. In ones period, what is the number is there? 199. Write that. 199. This is the way how you will write the number in international system. Up to that clear, children? Now we'll compare the Indian system and international system. Okay. See. I am writing here first one Indian. IND means Indian. Next one INT, international. Indian and international. See. Ones, same. Tens, same. Okay. Next. Next. 100. Next. 1000. 10,000. Next, in Indian system, what will come here? Lakh. But here, 100,000. Next, lakh after 10 lakh. Here million. Next crore, 10 crore. But here 10 million, 100 million. See, ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore. These place values comes under Indian period, Indian system. But in international system, what comes? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million, 10 million, 100 million. This is the place values in international system. Now compare these two. See, I am writing one here. 100,000s equal to dash lakh. See, 100,000. Where is 100,000 here? Here. Is equal to how many lakhs, children? 1 lakh or not? 1 lakh. Understood? Similarly, I am taking 10 lakh. See, 10 lakh is equal to dash million I wrote here. 10 lakh means how many million? 1 million. Next, one more question I am asking here. 100 million, 100, H means 100, M means million. 100 million is equal to dash crore I asked. 100 million is here or not? 100 million means how many crores here? TC means 10 crore or not? 10 crore. So this is the way how you will compare an Indian and international. Once again, see, 100,000 is here. 100,000 means how many lakhs they are asking? 100,000 means how many lakhs? 1 lakh. Okay. Same one more question. 10 lakhs means how many million? 1 million. One more question you can take. 1 crore is equal to dash million. 1 crore. 1 crore is here. Where is 1 crore? This is the crore. Crore means 1 crore or not? 1 crore means how many million? How many million this is? 10 million or not? Alright, 10 million. Clear everyone? 100,000 means 1 lakh. 10 lakhs means 1 million. 1 crore means 10 million. 10 crore means how many million? 100 million. Okay, and everyone clear? 10 crore. See, 10 crore is equal to dash million they asked. 10 crore means how many million? 100 million. This is the way how you, if they ask in any blank, you can compare like this and you can find easily the answer. Clear everyone? Up to now you learnt how to write the number name for the given number in Indian system as well as international system. This is the Roman about, see here, write number for given number name. That means the number name is given to you. You have to write the number for this. Clear? In which system they didn't mention. How you will, in which system how you can know? Depending upon periods. If Indian system, what are the periods are there? Ones, thousands, lakhs and crores. In international system, ones, thousands and millions are there. Based on that you can find which system it is. So see here, 30 crore is there. What is this, children, here? Crore. Crore means which system? Indian or international? Indian. Yes or no? So crore is there. That means Indian system. First write the place value. See here. I am keeping hyphens like this. Ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. After ones, tens, hundreds, you will keep comma or not? Keep comma like this. I am writing on the top. 1, tens, hundreds. Keep comma. After this, what you will keep? You will keep comma or not? Keep like this. Next, what is there? 1,000, 10,000. Keep comma for this. Lakh, 10 lakh. Keep comma for this. Next, crore, 10 crore. Why I am keeping dashes like this means you will not skip any number in this, any place value. Suppose here 30 is there. That means 30. 10 crore is there, but crore is not there. You will forget to write that. So if you keep like this, you can easily know which place value is missing here. Okay. Based upon crore, you know that Indian system. Indian system means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crore, 10 crore. Now see here, 30 crore. That means 30 crore. Okay. Next, 56 lakh. See, 56 lakh. Yes or not? 56 lakh. Next, 9,000. 9,000 means here it will comes because there is no 10,000 here. Okay, 9,000. That means write in thousands place 9. What is there is no 10,000s mentioned in the question, right? So keep 0. If the place value is not mentioned, you have to keep 0. Okay, 9,000 means you have to write in thousands place 9. No 10,000s is mentioned here, so keep 0. Next, what is there in hundreds place? 700. What is there in tens place? 56. 50 is in tens place, so 56. 6 is in ones place. This is the easy way to write the number name. Based upon the period, first write the place values and keep commas like this. Highest period is 30 crore. 30 means 30 crore. 56 lakh. 56 lakh. 9,000. Here 10,000 place is missing. So keep 0. 9,000. 700. 56. This is the way how you will write the number name. Next question. First, we wrote the periods like this. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. This you wrote. Next, what are the periods? First of all, here million, thousand and ones. Okay, million period, thousand period and ones period. In million period, what is there? 5. Write 5 here. There is no 10 million, there is no 100 million. So leave like this. Okay, next 100 million. What in thousands is here now, up to here thousands. What is the number here? 609. How you will write 609? 609 or not? Because there is no 10,000 here. 609,000. 609,000. Next, what is there? 17 is there. In ones period, what is there? 17. That means what is the place value missing here? 100. So keep 0 in hundreds place. 17 means what? 1, 7. Okay, once again I am saying millions. What is in the millions period? Total 3 place values are there. 100, 10 million, million. But only 5 is there. So write 5 in the millions. This is nothing. 0, 0 not there. So leave. Next, thousands period. In thousands period, what is there? 609. Right? 609. 609. Thousands period completed. Next, ones period, what is this? 17. Here hundreds place is not there. 100 place is missing. If the place value is missed, keep 0. Hundreds place 0. What is this? 17. 1, 7. So what is the answer? 5,609,017. This is the number for the number name. This is the number name and this is the number for that. So clear children, everyone? If the number is given, you have to write number name in Indian system as well as international system. And if the number name is given, you have to write the number and keep commas based upon the system. If it is Indian system, you will get only 2 place values in thousands period and all. If it is international, you will get 3 place values like thousands and millions.